Are you wanting to go out boating, camping, fishing, hiking, now that the coronavirus pandemic restrictions are being lifted? Well, you still need to be safe. Safe from ticks, that is. It is tick season and you don't want any ticks to get on you. They do cause a lot of diseases, especially Lyme disease. So I will show you how to make 2 do-it-yourself tick repellents. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of LuckyDogCreations. Hello friends. Today I'm going to be doing 2 different types of tick repellent. Now that the restrictions are being lifted up a little bit, more people are going to be going hiking, camping, and the ticks are out. So I want you guys to be aware of what you can do to protect yourself. Now these 2 are just for humans, but I have made some for dogs in the past. So the first thing we're going to use is 4 ounces of distilled water. Distilled water does not have any impurities in it, so that'll make it best for any type of crafts or do-it-yourselves that you use. It's always best to use distilled water. We'll do 4 ounces of that. And then the next thing we're going to use is 20 drops of lemongrass. Lemongrass is a natural tick repellent, but it needs to be 100% pure. 20 drops of lemongrass. And the last ingredient is going to be eucalyptus oil. It is also a natural tick repellent. You also want to make sure it is 100%. So we'll do 20 drops of eucalyptus oil. And then you'll go ahead and just give it a stir so it's thoroughly incorporated. And then you want to put it in a 4-ounce spray bottle. And there you have it. Nice and easy. Whenever you run out, it's quick to make. Now, whenever you want to go out, you want to make sure that you spray your pant legs, your socks, your shoes. And then make sure that it's reapplied every 4 hours. And make sure that you do a tick check every day to make sure that none got past. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, so for the second one, we are going to be using 2 cups of white vinegar. Now, white vinegar is a natural tick repellent in itself. Ticks do not like the smell or the taste of it. So you could just use this and you would be protected. But who wants to smell like vinegar? So we'll go ahead and put in 2 cups of white vinegar. And then the next thing we're going to be using is 1 cup of distilled water. Again, you want to use distilled because you don't want any of the impurities. So 1 cup of distilled water. And the last ingredient is going to be 20 drops of essential oil, 100% essential oil. And you can use whichever essential oil that you would like. but I'm going to use something that is actual natural tick repellent. So I'm going to use grapefruit, and you can use any citrus that would help for the natural tick repellent, eucalyptus, and peppermint. And I'm going to go ahead and do 20 drops of each. Okay, 20 drops of peppermint. And 20 drops of eucalyptus. And 20 drops of grapefruit. And then you want to go ahead and just stir it until it's fully incorporated. And I put them back in the measuring cup so they'll be easier to pour into my 32-ounce spray bottle. This will not fill up the 32-ounce spray bottle completely. You can get a smaller one, but all I had was a really big one or little small ones, so I chose to use this one. I have my funnel, and hopefully I won't make a mess. And then you go ahead and put the lid on. And give it a shake. Now you want to go ahead and spray this on your pant legs, on your socks, on your shoes. It can go on your skin, and make sure that you are fully protected. You want to go ahead and reapply it about every 4 hours. But just to be on the safe side, make sure you do a tick check every day to make sure that none of the ticks have gotten past. And here you have 2 different ways to make a tick repellent. So you can go out and enjoy your chance to get out that we haven't been able to do since March. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, either one will help my channel. Comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.